Heat of dissociation of benzene to elements is 5535 kilojoule per mole. Bond enthalpies of C single bond C, double bond C, C single bond H are given. Resonance energy of benzene is how much? Heat of formation is equals to minus heat of dissociation. Now we need to find this particular one. Heat of formation is taken as minus heat of dissociation. Resonance energy of benzene. How do we find this particular one? First we'll find the theoretical value. Heat of formation of benzene, if I am taking, heat of formation of benzene can be formed as carbon, which is in the graphite form, reacting with hydrogen gas gives rise to C6H6. If I take this particular one, now in this particular graphite formation, we have 6 graphite, we need 3 H2 gives rise to C6H6. And what is there with us in this particular one? This is enthalpy of, the question clearly says dissociation of benzene is. So enthalpy of formation of benzene will be minus 5535 kilojoules. Minus 5535 kilojoules. So already we have the experimental value in the question. We only need the theoretical value. Experimental value is given in the question. Theoretical value is to be given using the bond enthalpies. We are going to find the theoretical value. How are we going to do this particular one? In benzene, if I take, these are the bonds which are present in the benzene, CH, 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 CH. Now in this particular one, if I take the theoretical value for this particular dissociation of benzene, we have 3 CC double bonds and there are 3 CC single bonds and there are 6 CH bonds in benzene. So the dissociation of benzene requires how much energy overall is 3 times the bond energy of CC double bonds plus 3 times the bond energy of CC single bond plus 6 times the bond energy of CH bonds. If I am taking the bond energy of CH, that will be the total bond energy required to break all the bonds in benzene, dissociation of benzene. So theoretical value of dissociation of benzene, let us see. Theoretical value of dissociation of benzene. Dissociation of benzene, which is taken as 3 times 347 plus 3 times 615 plus 6 times 416, which comes to be 5382 kilojoules. So the enthalpy theoretical, enthalpy of formation theoretically, if you take, this will be minus of 5382 kilojoule. Now the resonance energy is given as experimental value minus theoretical value, minus 5535 minus, that is plus 5382, which will be the value. The experimental value comes to be minus 153 kilojoules. Minus 153 kilojoules, which is in the option C.